holidays are about tradition.
That is cream of mushroom soup. It has an interesting texture, but it's a must when making everyone's favorite holiday side.
Green Bean Casserole.
Add a generous spoonful of Black Bleu, because if anything can rescue a green bean casserole from its beige, somewhat bland destiny, it's a punch of cracked pepper, Cajun seasonings, and real blue cheese.
Stir until the beans are coated in this new promise of flavor.
Add more Black Bleu here too, because if there's one thing the holidays need, it's more seasoning, less taste like ass. A roll.
Language. Bake at 350 until it bubbles over, like family tensions after 3 bottles of Riesling.
Now for the fried onion. And there it is, green bean casserole.